Yes, so what my people, respect for tuning into another video. But from on the see the thumbnail and the title, they don't know what is on the menu today. So today basically we forward to talk about bounty killer getting cross, angry and miserable and diss them up. And also there's an individual that is sending Massacre a serious warning. And also basically bounty killer manager call L.A. Lewis and send him a warning about the killer. You see me and say people, so I want to stay tuned for all of that. Also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also give this video a like and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing. We're going to just jump in at the intro and forward right back to the video. So no, don't go away. We soon forward.
I could never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
Yes, so now people, I want to start off the video like this by showing a video with a female sending the other females a message, as I say, concerning their behaviors in relationship right now. You see me as a people, and basically a whole heap of things she are talking at the video. So I want to take it in and drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section about this situation.
Let me tell you something. Enough of the time, them the reason why una woman can't get no man are because you create this perfect man in our head wanna feel like you're supposed to have, and baby that now go work. 99.9% of the time that will never work. You understand when I say no, listen to me and listen to me good. Enough of the time them some good man out there, but what? We know them get hurt. A one girl might hurt them and crush up them heart and fold it up in a one corner, and them just sweep it up under the carpet and them just do bait things, because them tell themselves, oh, me no want no girl now hurt me again, no girl now go do this again to me. We know how man stay, them can't take hurt, but that doesn't mean that him and a one good man. Now, sometimes you no like work. Uno no like put in nothing. Uno just want get a man and get the money and him no fi have no woman and no baby girl and so it work out. You might meet a man we have 10 gal, yes. When our wife, none of them 10 gal we wife do. Now all you have to do is pay attention to your homework. Remember say man short. And uno want man to work for uno and put in investment, and uno no want to do the same man. Nothing no go to baby girl. That's why no found skip from man to man. Uno will never find a good man. Because when you find a man, uno stick and stay and work through things, and at that in at that time, yeah, in a 2023, at that no found the need for getting on a big tough head. Yes, so the need for getting on the head. Some of the time then we're gonna meet a man and him gonna have a couple women, but what? And me I gonna make the difference in a one boy life. And me I gonna stand up strong like a cedar tree, work out things in my life and become number one. Girl, I'ma tell you this, when time me stand up in a one man life.
So people, what do you really think about where this female as a writer say? As I say, I want to drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section and everything where she really as a writer say. As I say, also I really want to hear from the females for them opinion on this. As I say, so you don't know, but carrying on to this other story now. Well, basically you have this individual sending Massacre a very serious warning. As I say, and at the end of the day, the man say, yo, Massacre, it is okay if you walk and talk, say, yo, you are the baddest thing in a dancehall, but at the end of the day, Wise King and Alkaline one warrior, and at the end of the day, you run from them. You see me, I say, you have to go prove yourself. You see me, I say, but people, me never want to tell you everything what go on in the video. Me just go make you check it out for yourself, and you can share your thoughts on this situation.
Massacre, nothing no wrong for confidence yourself and say you're the baddest artist in Jamaica. But you have to go prove your blood clot self. You can't walk around and say you're the baddest artist and you're afraid for a lyrical clash with Alka. You have to go prove your bumbuckler self. And me done talk, I care zero. Pussy hole then can comment and talk fuckery now. Me ready?
Yes, so now people won't really think about where this individual as a writer about Massacre. You see me I say, because basically you don't know say yo enough people are gonna say so, cause at the end of the day you don't know say Massacre say my baddest thing in a dancehall, in which we all know say Massacre bad artists and have whole heap of hit tune out there. You see me I say, but while doing that to same speed viewers and subscribers, you have to prove yourself. Yeah, because basically it look like Massacre tell himself say yo watch a man, me never watch them boy they at least to me thing. You see me I say, but you don't know know people, you see me, at some point in time you have to stand up on your 2 foot and be a man, you see me, I say, and more time you don't know say people are going to test you in your life, you see me, but you can't make everybody come and test you, so, and at the end of the day, you not reply, you just sit on one side like nothing nah go on, you see me, I say, at the end of the day, some point in time you have to prove yourself, especially in a dancehall, because if you look on all of the greats them coming through dancehall, Super Cat, Ninja Man, you see me, I say, Bunty, Beanie, Eve coming up to Vibes Cartel and Movado, the whole of them man, they prove themselves, people, that's why I want to rate them so much, you see me, I say, but you don't know at the end of the day that it's just my opinion and the whole situation. I also share your opinion, make me know what you think about everything about this situation with Massacre and with this individual, I say, you see me, I say, but basically coming up in other news, well, Bounty Killer get cross, angry and miserable, and I diss up the rainbow people, them, the shaky people, them, and I make them know, say, at the end of the day, where them come from, about them a claim rainbow, which is God rainbow, and be a thing, man, talking in a video, people, so here one, me now go chat it out, and me now go tell you, me just go make you take it in for yourself, and tell me what you think about this situation, where Bounty Killer talk about, so here are people, just check it out.
Friends, they came listen here, Uno, for rebel and tell them back to ditch. Like I got black cloth rainbow. Not from the black cloth events can belongs to Matty people. Who are Indian people? Think good now. What black cloth rainbow come from? The events of the earth. All Matty man to go up next time go one got black cloth rainbow. One to take over the clothes and we have any color. Yeah, I want to what is rainbow? The rainbow comes to tell us in the black cloud rainbow. So the fuck would I talk about the people want? I got some message. I said rainbow come, let out. When the sky black, it means rainbow fall. When the rainbow come, it means the rain black cloud down. How you take that message mix up with black cloud? LGBT, LGBT. Oh, can you prove to them? Look at the rainbow. Back to the children have nothing earth and nobody on the food. Can you keep it? Look at your rainbow. Don't be scared to wear any color. And the colors of the events. You wonder who agrees about the people on the rainbow. What kind of allegiance they find when they come to the agreement? Which one can say on my rainbow? Well, so how come we agree? Tell them like I got black cloud rainbow. I got seven to and Joe.
Yes, so people, basically Bounty Killer say right, so at the end of the day, the people them have to rebel about this thing. You see me I say, because rainbow is from God, and at the end of the day, all the shaky people them come to claim God rainbow, because rainbow at the end of the day show you say, watch you know, the rain done. So at the end of the day, who give them right if you can use rainbow as for them shaky thing? And you see me I say, people, and really and truly basically we Bounty Killer say right, so everything about it a facts. You don't know I one general, you see me, and you don't know say yo, don't get them man across and angry and miserable about nothing. You see me I say, and we all know say Jamaican people burn out the shaky people them. You have one and two of them here, yes, same way, but you don't know say the majority of people in a Jamaica, yeah, we not deal with the shakiness. You see me I say, people, but here I want to know, the drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section, and this situation where Bounty Killer talk about. You see me I say, yeah, put up some fire emoji or whatsoever you want to put, but me I look say most Jamaican would have put up fire emoji. You see me I say, but you don't know how the thing is, you see me, but coming up in this other news, well basically Bounty Killer manager, which is Banky, call L.A. Lewis and I send L.A. Lewis a warning, make L.A. Lewis know say at the end of the day, stop call up the artist name. You see me I say, stop walk up and down and talk about Bounty, and basically L.A. Lewis I make him know say, watch out man, you know see say a publicity me I give your artist, you see me, you know see say a shine me I give him, the more me talk about him and the more him thing grow, you see me, and at the end of the day a big thing, you see me, I also have the phone call with L.A. Lewis and Banky, which is Bounty Killer's manager, and also what L.A. Lewis have to say about the whole situation even after. So people want to check it out, you see me I say, it's a very interesting call also, you don't know L.A. Lewis are going to ever talk, you see me I say, so people want to check it out and really listen what him I say, you see me I say, so you don't know, check it out right now.
Yeah. Yes man. No, no more to say yes. Banky, then if me have no number for your Banky, and then you have them family I ground with them and I see them sit up on that chair, Banky. Like which one? Which one of the artists at? Promotion that banky. You ever know that? Promotion that, marketing. Alright, banky, big up yourself. Safe. Come on. So they say the people. Banky that come just call people. Banky say, yo, Emperor. You say you call up my artist name. Yo, how you call up my artist name alone? Banky, but Bunty can't call me now. Can't see it, people. When me big up Bunty, Banky don't say that no. And when me talk a little thing against Bunty people, when you're that celebrity, you have to ready for people calling him. Remember, you know? Look how Bunty killer deal with being the man wicked. And I told my friend again. So Banky, when you say celebrity and celebrity talk about one another, make Bunty go do a song and call me name. And make me do something more review and call back Bunty name. And say Bunty no go back on top again. A matter of fact, that interview alone go make Bunty go on top. So Banky call me, hey bro, where do you? I say Banky rich, I'm rich. And that, you know, so that's why Banky can call me people because I'm rich and I'm rich. You know, you understand? If you meet with the poor, but I still esteem people. But that's how you think of people. So anyway, big up yourself, Banky Lost Records. I'm like how you call on behalf of your artist Banky, but other than that, if you call me, I say, if you call me, I say, Emperor, call me artist name 2 times, but call it, I say this and call it, I say that. Because people, if I say Bunty killer now hold the faith people, Bunty do nothing to charity and everything to people. And Bunty give enough things. But Bunty a foot type their power. And a foot type said to people, and I like me I say something about foot type, not say people. Foot type said it. Foot type a Bunty influence him for left. I Shana. So what me I gonna do? Come say something, come say something foot type never say. Then Banky could have called me and say, Emperor, or if you talk things what tell Banky if you go tell foot type for a retract him story.
Yes, so people, if you don't listen good, you can hear when Bunky say on the phone say, yo, every day you sit down on the artist name, you see me? Yeah, and L.A. Lewis basically make him know say that a promotion Bunky, you see me? I say, so right now, Bunky a while up L.A. Lewis and I make him know say, yo, lower for the artist name, you see me? I say, no, if I think them with L.A. Lewis is still, you don't know, some of them are a fox still, you see me? While you don't know L.A. Lewis ever go talk some one bag of thing, you see me? I say, people. Yeah, but anyways, I can even hear when him point out to you where them really have a problem with him saying about Bunty killer, you see me? And basically it is half a footer hype, and with footer hype say at the end of the day say Bunty killer influence him for left eye Shana, you see me? I say, so you don't know, say the general no really want him name out there and them thing there, you see me? I say, people. But here I want Uno tell me what Uno think about all of this down into the comment section. Yeah man, share your honest opinion and make we know what Uno really think. Yes, so you don't know, people, we have come to the end of the video, so also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also click that like button and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you don't know, as well we said before, peace, love, I'm out.